Okay guys, so this is our makeshift chicken coop. We didn't have anything to use as a chicken coop, so we repurposed this doghouse, you know. And for shade, use this table. It's half-assed, whatever, but you know, for these dudes, we needed to make something fast. So we looked around on Amazon, you know, we found one. It cost like $400. It came in 2 boxes. So we're about to build it right now. So our chickens can have a proper chicken coop house and all the good stuff, right? So I had no reviews, had nothing, so we're gonna see how it goes. It came in 2 boxes. And this is how it comes shipped. I had a bunch of foam, little foam pieces that we threw it on the floor. One box. Here's the other one. The one thing that they kind of suck is that in the box, actually these are loose, so you don't know if anything's missing or not. So all these were loose in the box. So I put So some things don't line up. It's supposed to be straight instead of angled, so we'll have to mess around with that right now and make it look different. A lot of the holes are missing, so you gotta make your own. Now I'm gonna put like a little bracket here, L bracket. Instructions are there, but you can kind of have to wing it. But so far, it's an improvement compared to that. So here we go. But yeah, a lot of things are off, so you gotta improvise. Get a window so you can get fresh air. And here they are, just chilling. Of course. So guys, I mean, to each their own, right? I guess I recommend it because it looks nice, it's cool, but you end up having to do a lot more, adding a lot more hardware to it yourself. So tomorrow we'll go to the hardware store and get some more little brackets to make sure that's sealed properly, right? Like here, for example, you know, put it inside, push it in to be flush. And yeah. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. But a lot of the holes, we have to make them on our own. But yeah, still cool though, you know. Have a little window so you can get air. Open this up, see if they have eggs, right? Another window. It's actual wood, it's not plastic. Well, the roof is plastic. But it's actually getting nice air right now, so here they are. This wooden bottle. Little solar lights right here. Oh, the donkeys over there. The sun hits the solar lights that we put in there. In the morning, afternoons, down to get hit sunlight. So that was the before, like half-assed, because they grew too quick and we didn't have no chicken coop for them, and a dog house. To this. they can use to it still, you know, because I guess they have more room in that one, right? But now they have more appropriate. And of course, our dog Bruno loves harassing the chickens. But anyways, a lot of things don't line up. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store tomorrow and get other things right to make them line up. But like pre-drilled holes and not whatever. No cracks. So all in all is good, I guess. For $400, better than nothing.